Hello guys, today we're taking a look at the Dell S2725QS 27-inch 4K monitor, a display that instantly upgrades both your workspace and your entertainment setup. The first thing you notice is the sharpness. This 27-inch 4K IPS panel with 3840 x 2160 resolution delivers incredible detail, making text crisp, photos clean, and videos beautifully clear. With 99% sRGB coverage and a strong contrast ratio, colors look rich and natural without feeling exaggerated. Whether you're editing content, watching movies, or just browsing, everything feels more refined. What really stands out is the smoothness. With up to a 120 Hz refresh rate and AMD FreeSync support, motion feels fluid whether you're scrolling through timelines or gaming after work. It's responsive enough for casual gaming while still prioritizing clarity and color accuracy. Dell also includes Comfort View Plus, which reduces blue light without distorting colors, making long work sessions easier on your eyes. The built-in speakers are surprisingly usable, and the slim bezels with the clean ash white finish give it a modern professional look. Overall, the Dell S2725QS is a versatile 4K monitor that balances sharp visuals, smooth performance, and everyday comfort in one sleek package. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.